Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host and companion Abhishek Sharma. Well, for a long time I didn't upload any video. Okay, now I'm gonna upload a new video about very word, that how to stop using very word anymore. Now in this video I will tell you some synonyms that can use to replace 5 very related expressions which are very beautiful, very happy, very surprised, very small and very difficult. Okay guys, so as always, no wait no gain, and let's get started. So guys, now the first phrase we are having is very beautiful. Now I've got 3 synonyms that you can use to replace this very beautiful word. Now the first one is gorgeous. Most of the people know that this word, and this word is normally used to compliment a woman, for a beautiful woman. Like an example, you look gorgeous in this dress, means you look very beautiful in this dress. Okay guys, now the second synonym is charming, and it's normally used to say kids very beautiful. Like an example, hey, you are looking charming in this hat or coat or whatever. Okay guys, so now the third synonym what I've got is stunning. It's a very advanced, super advanced word, just like, and I think less people of this world are known with it. Okay guys, now this is also means very beautiful. Like an example, hey, you are looking stunning in this dress, means that you are looking very beautiful in this dress. Now let's take another example, that this dance performance was stunning, means this dance performance was very beautiful. Okay guys, understand? So let's move on our second phrase, which is very happy. Now I have got 3 words that you can use to replace very happy. Now the first synonym is thrilled. It means very advanced. It's a very advanced word that you can use to replace very happy. Like an example, I was thrilled when I saw him, means I was very happy when I saw him. Okay guys, understand? Let's see the second synonym, which is on cloud 9. It's likely a phrase which we can use to replace very happy. Like an example, he was on cloud 9 when he passed the entrance exam of IITs or IIMs or whatever. Okay guys, understand? So let's see the third synonym, which is delighted. It also means very happy normally. Now like an example, like someone say you that you will be delighted for what I'm gonna tell you, means you will be very happy for what I'm gonna tell you. He's saying this. Okay guys, understand? Now guys, let's see our third phrase, which is very surprised. Now I've got 2 synonyms that you can use to replace this very surprised word, because again it's a very super basic word, and most of the people, not most but all of the people use this in their conversations. Now the first synonym what I've got is amazed. Like an example, he was amazed when he saw his performance, because he didn't accept this type of performance by him, means he was very surprised when he saw his performance, because he didn't accept this type of performance by him. Okay guys, understand? So let's see our second synonym, which is astonished, and it's just like something advanced word that you can use to replace very surprised. Like an example, he was astonished when he saw him there, means he was very surprised when he saw him there, means any place or whatever. Okay guys, understand? So let's see our fourth phrase, which is very small. Very small, again it's a very basic word, super basic, just like, and all of the people use this word in their conversations. Now I have got 2 synonyms that you can use to replace this very small word. So guys, our first synonym is tiny. Well, it's normally used to say someone small. Like an example, there was a tiny teacher in their classrooms, means there was a very small teacher in their classrooms who came to teach them something. Okay guys, understand? So let's see our second synonym, which is minuscule. It's a very advanced word that you can use in your conversations to replace very small. And minuscule, just like that, something that is non-existent means something that doesn't exist even. just for a bit doesn't exist. Like an example, the winning chances are minuscule, means the winning chances are just nothing, just 0.001%, just like that. Okay guys, understand? So guys, let's move on our fifth phrase, which is very difficult. Again, it's a very super basic word and all of people use this in their conversations. So I have got two synonyms that you can use to replace this very difficult word. So guys, now our first synonym is challenging. And yeah, I like this challenging word because when we use very difficult in our sentence, like this is very difficult to do, then it shows that you are giving up your potential. But when you use challenging, then it shows that you are challenging, it's something that is challenging to you and you are doing very hard work for that work. Okay guys, understand? So guys, let's see our second synonym, which is demanding. Again, it means very difficult. Like an example, that work is demanding for us, means that work demands so much hard work and you have to strive for that work. So that work is very difficult, simply means, okay, because when it's difficult, then you have to work hard work. So it says that it is demanding, that simply means that it is difficult. Okay guys, understand? So I hope guys you got things to learn here, and thank you for watching guys till the end, and subscribe my channel and hit the like button guys, and let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. Okay then, see you in the next video guys.